Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute pink bunny, and I will leave a link in the description on how to make the little cream eggs for this bunting. Okay, all you need is some cotton yarn. You can use any colour, a 3.5mm hook, crochet needle and some scissors. Okay, to start you want to make a slip knot. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and you want to make a double crochet. So go into the first chain that you made, that one there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So you want to make 7 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you want to go in through these 2 loops, so in through these 2, yarn over and make a slip knot. So pull it through there. So that's the tail, and then you want to continue to double crochet until you have 20 around. So you've done 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, pull your tail tight so that hole closes up, and you want to slip stitch into this first double crochet that we made, so into there. Okay, now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to do a treble crochet, so yarn over twice, go back into where you did that slip stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So you'll make 3 of these treble crochets. So it's 1, 2, 3, and they all go into that same stitch. Okay, so that's the body, the tail and the head. So for the ears, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you want to skip the first 2, so skip 1, 2, and you want to make a double crochet in the third one, a double crochet in the next one, Okay, then you want to make a half double crochet in the next one. So yarn over, pull through all three. And then in this last one, you just want to make a single crochet. Okay, and then I want you to slip stitch into these two. So go in through that one, and through that one, and slip stitch. Okay, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first two, make a double crochet in the third one, a double crochet in the next one, a half double crochet in the next, and a single crochet in the last one. Right, and then I want you to slip stitch into these two. And then chain 3 and slip stitch back into that one where we put all the treble crochets in. Oh no, slip stitch into the next stitch next to it. So in there and pull through. Okay, chain 1 and then cut the yarn. I'll show you how I hide the tails. So this one we finished with, turn it over, and you just want to go in the back of these treble crochets. Okay, then I go down that one and back through the back of the treble crochets. Right, and with the one we started with, our starting tail, I just go through the back of these double crochets. So just go through a few, pull it tight, and then go back through. Okay, here we are. And I'll leave a link in the description for the little cream egg and how to finish the bunting. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.